So we said the area of the red triangle is the area of the blue guide triangle minus the area of this small little Manini one. All right, so here we go. Area of red triangle, and that's the one I'm looking for, is equal to the area of the big one minus the area of the small one. Does everyone agree with me? Everyone says yes. Good. All right, so the area that I'm looking for is equal to 1/2 base. But what is the base here? Is it just B? I'm talking about the blue triangle. The blue triangle, the base there, is actually B plus X times height. Do you see what I mean? This length from here to here is X, and this length from here to here is B. So the length from here to here is B plus X. Agreed or disagree? Oh, good. I'm glad you approve. And the height that I'm talking about is from here to here. Agree or disagree? Good. And so this part right here, this area big, gives me the area of that guide blue triangle that goes all the way from here to here. It's the big triangle over here. Now, I'm going to subtract the area of the small triangle. And we already know how to find that one. That's a right triangle. And it goes 1/2. What's the base on the small triangle? I'm throwing that out there, asking the question. Sky is saying X. Sky is saying, okay, Dawson, B is not equal to X. But what's the area? Okay, Marin is saying the base of the small triangle is B plus X. And I disagree with that because the base of the big triangle is B plus X. What is the base of the small, this small looking triangle right here? And by the way, in no means am I upset with anybody for throwing out any answers or questions or anything. I just get really excited. In fact, I'm really excited that we can learn all of this stuff. See, X minus B, I think that you folks are thinking too hard about this. See this small triangle right here? This one, I'm going to make it in, I don't know, a different color. Let's make it purple. This small triangle right here, what's the base of that? Well, I think that the base of that is just X. Like, look at it. It's right there. It's just X. And the height of it is H. Did I confuse you folks there? See, this first one here is the area of that bigger triangle. This second one here is the area of that smaller triangle, the one on the left side. All right, now let's use some math. And don't worry, I'm just proving something to you. Now, when I have a parentheses and a number outside, I distribute it. So this is 1/2 BH, or B times H, plus 1/2 X times H, and that's from the first part, minus 1/2 X times H. Hey folks, I got a question. What's 1/2 X times H minus 1/2 X times H? What's 5 minus 5? Throw it out there, folks. I only got a couple seconds left. 0. So this is 0. These kill each other. Hey, wait a second. The area of that funky looking triangle, that one that looks like this right here, the red triangle, is 1/2 base times height. It's still the same exact formula. Only this time the base would be this distance right here. So if I go back to it, it would actually be 1/2 8 times 7. Weird, huh?